Hey, what's going on, guys? So for today, I will show you how to fix selected file is not supported for upload in Google Docs. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's open up your Google Docs, and here when you click on File, click on Open, and you want to upload certain document, let's click Browse. So for example, I want to open this one. So here you will see that it says selected file not supported. So to fix this one, let's close this one first. What we can do is let's go to Google Drive. And once here, let's click on New. And let's click on New File Upload. And let's select that document. So for example, this one, let's click on Open. So once the upload is complete, let's locate the file. So it's here. So what you can do is click on the three dots right here and click on Open With and click on Google Docs. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can open unsupported documents in Google Docs. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.